I wanted to tell you about the Microsoft 365 conference, which is happening in Las Vegas this April. This is going to be my first in-person event since January of 2020. I'm so excited to get out there and see people in the community. I've missed seeing you all. So I am doing a full day workshop. I'm so excited about this. It's held before the conference. So I'm doing a Dynamics 365 System Admin Bootcamp. And you can see here the skeleton of what I think I'm going to talk about. Now, this is by no means a finalized agenda because every time I come in here and I start working on the content that I want to share with you, the things that I want to teach you as a system administrator, I keep thinking of more things that I need to add. So these are some of the topics that we're going to cover. It's probably going to change. There's probably going to be more in here. But if you're a new system administrator for CRM, Dynamics 365 customer engagement, this is an awesome opportunity for you to come hang out for a day and learn all of these awesome topics and hopefully have a little bit of fun too. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, Heidi@reenhance.com. They gave me a discount code that I can share. It's my last name, which I'll put in the video here because nobody can spell my last name. But if you use the code Neuhauser when you check out, you'll get a little bit of cash off the entrance fee. So again, this is the Microsoft 365 conference. It's things well beyond Dynamics 365. So you can learn about Teams, about SharePoint, about all kinds of cool Microsoft stuff. And the conference is held April 5th to April 7th. But check out my workshop if you want the opportunity to learn everything you need to know or most of the things you need to know to get up and running as a system admin on Sunday before the conference on April 3rd. I hope to see you there.